Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of plant leaf disease detection using deep learning. So this is the project which is implemented in Python, which uses the deep learning algorithm, particularly speaking convolutional and neural networks. That's the algorithm we are using under this particular project, and it is very much useful project for the farmers. For example, the farmers don't know what kind of disease occurring on their plant leaves, and randomly they are purchasing some pesticides and they are spraying on the plants, but that is not going to help them, and again that is degrading the overall the agricultural production. Also, that is causing the huge loss financially to the farmers. Now, in order to solve this problem, what we are doing, we are just by uploading the picture of the leaf, the system will predict what kind of disease that is occurred on that plant, and also the system will suggest what should be the best pesticide that has to be sprayed on the plants in order to cure that. So it will provide so much information about the pesticides, what kind of pesticide is to be used and all those stuff, so that the farmer can pick the correct pesticide, and he can use on the uh, plants, and the plant can be saved. Now, in order to do this, there is the farmer login. So farmer will have to log into the system, and this system is implemented in Python with the Flask framework, and also the front-end programming language is HTML, CSS, where we are using Bootstrap framework. Now, first of all, the farmer can either create the account. So, in order to create the account, the farmer will have to provide the name, then the all those stuff, and the password. And also, in order to recover account, if farmer forgot the password, there is a security question which is asked the name of the pet. So, in case the farmer forgets the what we can say the account, then that can be recovered from that. So for example, I can register a new account. For example, and also this the email address could be, or I will write something 123 as a password, and the password is repeated as 123. And this email address, let's say I'm putting this, and the password is 123, and the name of pet, let's say he is going to answer like tiger, then registered account. So now, for example, he wants to log in and the saga forgets the password, then what they have to do, just they have to put this email address and then the name of the pet. For example, he answers correctly, then the password will be recovered. Okay, so this how the password could be recovered, and after that the person can log in. So let's log into the system. So once we log in, this kind of portal will open. So that is just a feature to recover the forgotten password. Now here is the main dashboard, or what you can say the home page of this project. Here we are giving the overview about this project, that is the domain of this project, the data set, also the algorithm used and the framework used, also the problem statement, introduction, proposed solution, and the conclusion of the project. So overall, all the important information related to the project, or the short overview of this project, is displayed on this page. Next important page is dashboard, where the machine learning models and their performance is displayed. That is the what is the size of data set we have used, the training size, testing size, the accuracy we have obtained, and this is the training and testing accuracy along the epochs. Also the confusion metrics over here, then there is a loss, and these are the performance like accuracy, precision, and all those stuff. And also these are some development approaches that we can add as a text, or you can even edit that kind of text. Now that's the dashboard which represents the technical part of this, some graphs and some analytics about this particular project. Now most important part is this image upload. Now here user will have to upload some image. For example, I will pick this image. This is the plant leaf image. Now this image will be uploaded to the system. Now this is uploaded. Now I want to test whether what kind of disease is there on this, and what should be the pesticide, what could be the suggestion. If you want to cancel, then you can cancel from here and you can upload any other image. Now after I click on predict, then I will get this prediction, So I'm getting here this kind of disease has occurred, and the suggestion is given to the farmer. So this is the complete information, what kind of pesticides and all we can apply on the plant. So that kind of information is given to the farmer. Also the farmer can test another image, so he can pick any other image. For example, let's say I want to pick this image, then that will be uploaded again, and then this is the image, then we can test it again. So this is the disease which has been predicted for this particular plant, and then the information about this. So that's all about the complete implementation about this project, and in case you need any kind of help regarding this particular project or code of this project, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.